Hey everyone, John from Huron Speed here. We're going to do some giveaways today from the truck group purchase kit sale that started on Black Friday. So the first giveaway that we had was for everyone that entered on the very first day, which was Black Friday. 3 winners we're going to choose from that to win AC line relocation kits. So we ended up with 25 entrants on the first day, which is awesome. And if you'll note, we also have the first giveaway in the sale. That's just part of the normal giveaways, which is when we hit 25 entrants as well. So right after this, we're going to do another giveaway for the first 25, the ceramic coating. But this is how we do the giveaways in these group purchases. Basically, everyone that has entered so far has a number, 1 to 25. Excuse me, Molly. The very first person to enter or place their deposit would be number 1, and it just goes in order of when you place your deposit. So I'm going to take these tennis balls and throw them into this box here. And what we're going to do is we're going to dump them out in the showroom. And Molly here is going to pick the winner, or in this case, 3 winners. So I've never, excuse me, down please, thank you. I've never done this with 3 winners before, so it might take a little bit longer. It seems every year we do this, Molly takes a little longer to pick the balls, but create some suspense for you guys. So this is how we're going to do every giveaway. It's a little bit different, it's a little bit fun. Instead of not knowing how we pick winners or blind or random.org, it's just fun, a little bit different. So what I'll do is after we get the winners here, we'll match them to your invoices here and see who the winners are. So again, everyone that's in this is going to be in the next one right after this for ceramic coating. And being that you're entered early, you'll be in every giveaway we do from here on out, which is hopefully a whole bunch more. So thanks for your support. I'm going to dump these out and we're going to let Molly pick 3 here. So good luck. So we have only one rule, and that is I have to get to Molly with a ball in her mouth for it to be the winner. So if she just picks one up and drops it, that does not count. I got to get to her. So she can be a little bit picky, take a little bit, but come on, let's grab one, bud. You like that? Okay. Number 7 is a winner. All right, grab one. Thank you. 17 is a winner. Grab one more, please. It's a lot quicker than I thought. Wow, thanks, Molly. And 13. So we got 7, 13, and 17. So what I'll do is I'll match them up to the invoices here. Number 7 is our first winner, and these are for the AC line relocation kits. All right, I'll do my best to cover up your information. Oops. All right, number 7, invoice 2386, Robert Emming. Congratulations, Robert. You are the first winner for an AC line kit. And number 13 here. All right. Number 13, invoice 2403, Felton Allen. Congratulations, you are also a winner. And 17. 17. 2411. I'm sorry if I butcher this, but Brent Backledore. Hopefully I got that right. Congratulations, Brent. You are also a winner. So you 3 will receive the AC line relocation kits. We'll probably have those shipped out right now for you, or we can wait and send them with the kit. Whatever is best for you. But thank you again for your participation, and we will be back with another video right after this once I can collect all these balls and put them back in order for the first 25 to enter. Same people here for the free ceramic coating. So thanks. Talk to you soon.